The complete list of keyboard shortcuts for MS Word. Ctrl+A, select all text. Ctrl+B, apply bold formatting to the selected text. Ctrl+C, copy the selected text. Ctrl+D, open the font dialog box to change the font of the selected text. Ctrl+E, apply center alignment to the selected text. Ctrl+F, open the Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl+G, go to a specific location in the document. Ctrl+H, open the Find and Replace dialog box with the Replace tab selected. Ctrl+I, apply italic formatting to the selected text. Ctrl+J, apply Justify alignment to the selected text. Ctrl+K, create a hyperlink for the selected text. Ctrl+L, apply left alignment to the selected text. Ctrl+M, indent the paragraph. Ctrl+N, create a new document. Ctrl+O, open an existing document. Ctrl+P, print the document. Ctrl+Q, remove paragraph formatting from the selected text. Ctrl+R, apply right alignment to the selected text. Ctrl+S, save the document. Ctrl+T, create a hanging indent. Ctrl+U, apply underline formatting to the selected text. Ctrl+V, paste the copied text. Ctrl+W, close the current document. Ctrl+X, cut the selected text. Ctrl+Y, redo the last action. Ctrl+Z, undo the last action.